So welcome students. In this question you're asked to find the maximum value of this expression. So how do you find the maximum value of this expression? If you see the expression clearly, so 3x square 9x, 3x square 9x. So the quadratic and linear terms are common in this. So first what I can do is I can split this into two expressions. So 3x square plus 9x plus 7 plus 10 by 3x square plus 9x plus 7. 17 can be split into 7 plus 10. So now if I separate these expressions, I get 1 plus 10 by 3x square plus 9x plus 7. Now the rational function has effectively become a quadratic function. Now I want the maximum value of this expression. So to find the maximum value of this expression, obviously I have to put the minimum value of this expression in this place. So if I put the minimum value of this expression, so I'll get the maximum value of the fraction, right? And what is the minimum value of a quadratic? The minimum value of a quadratic is minus d by 4a. That's the formula. The formula for minimum value of a quadratic is minus of discriminant by 4a. It is minus of discriminant is b square minus 4ac minus 21 into 4 is 84 by 4 times a is 12. That is equal to minus of minus 3. 3 by 12 is 1 by 4. So to get the maximum value of this, I just need to put 1 by 4 in this place. So 1 plus 10 by 1 by 4 is 1 by 1 plus 40 is equal to 41. So the maximum value of this expression is 41. And it occurs. If the question is like, where does it occur? At what value of x does it occur? The formula will be the value of x where this minimum value occurs is minus b by 2a. So minus b by 2a is the value of x where the minima occurs, and the value of the minima is minus d by 4a. So if I ask you what value of x makes this expression maximum, so your answer should be minus of 9 by 2a is 6, that is minus 3 by 2. At x is equal to minus 3 by 2, you get the maximum value, and the maximum value is 41.